for a city to which I've never.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Sa umaga pong ito ay mag-aaral tayo sa salita ng ating Panginoon. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Psalms chapter 8 verse 1. Ito pong pagkasabi, O Lord our God, how excellent is your name in all the earth. Sa umagang ito ay pag-uusapan natin yung tinatawag na phenomenal. Di ba may isang mga pangyayari sinasabi natin phenomenal, lunar eclipse, solar eclipse ba yan, blood moon o ano man yan, tinatawag natin phenomenal. But when you look at the creation of the Lord, you will see it's phenomenal. Planet Earth is not all about us, but by God's design, it involves us. Hindi talaga ito para sa atin, tayo ang center. Hindi, we are not the center of the universe. We are just one part of the entire creation of God. Because God wants you to understand that God designed all these things to see how magnificent He is. Kung gaano siya kagaling, gaano siya ka-phenomenal. No? To worship any part of God's creation stops short of giving glory to the one who made it. Worship only the Creator, not the creation. Minsan kasi, of course, na-appreciate natin yung mga bagay. But remember this, there's no one else that needs to be praised. Walang iba na pwedeng maitaas maliban sa ating Diyos na dakila. Kaya nga sinabi ni David dun sa verse 3 nung chapter 8, sinabi niya, When I consider your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars, which you have ordained, what is man that you are mindful of him, and the son of man that you visit him? With regards to the creations of God, you will be amazed, Lord, bakit mo ako binigyan pa ng halaga, gayong may mas maganda pang nilikha kaysa sa akin? But in the sight of God, you are precious, mga kapatid. God's glory shines through His creation, and through you, the glory of God can be seen dahil anak kanya, kapatid. Nais ko iparating sa iyo, God is phenomenal. God is so great. Ano man yung hinaharap mo ngayon na problema, napakalit lang yan compared to what God can do in our lives. God bless po at magandang umaga.
And I will tell